Hello dear students, this is Miss Atya. Today I am going to brief to you the intro to our subject code SK015 Chemistry. Okay, so first of all, we want to know when are our classes. So your classes will be on Wednesday and Thursday. So on Wednesday, we have 4 hours of classes. Okay, so the first hour will be our lecture. So your lecture will basically be a video of me explaining the notes. Okay, the notes that I posted. So you will use the notes and watch the video. Okay, and annotate, tulis mana-mana nota, whatever I am explaining. And you will do the examples and exercises provided in the notes. Okay, after that, you will do your tutorial. So you have 1, 2, 3 hours for tutorial. Okay, at these times, you are going to self-study. Okay, try to do yourself first, and then you will have a break for 1 hour. Then 11 to 12, I will conduct a Google Meet. Okay, so this is when you can ask me questions and we can discuss any questions that you guys have problems with. Okay, the Google Meet times may vary, so I will inform you beforehand. Okay, whether sometimes it depends on me whether I want to do 11 to 12 or 12 to 1. Okay, whichever yang lebih sesuai lah. Okay, and then on Thursday, we will have our lab sessions. So our lab sessions will be 2 hours, alright? So the first hour, you will be doing your labs. How are we going to do our labs at home? Okay, so basically we can look at this section here. How is our lab practicals conducted? First, I will give you the link, video amali and pre-lab question. Okay, so from there you can watch the video, alright, and then try to write the lab report. Okay, so you have to read your lab manual, which is the red one. Okay, I've uploaded in GC. It's the red cover book, lab manual too. Okay, read through it to understand how our lab session will proceed. Okay, and then you can write your lab report according to this one section 4.3 if you look through your red lab manual. Okay, also one more thing, your pre-lab question you should answer before doing the experiment. So it is to give you a background on what experiment you will be doing. Okay, so this one you must complete before the lab. Okay, read the lab manual and then answer your pre-lab. Okay, so and then you will write your lab report, and then finally we will discuss the lab report via Google Meet. Okay, so that will be at 3 to 4. Okay, lab practical session. We will do basically post lab. Okay, we will discuss the experiment. Alright, so let's go here. How do I know what will be covered this week? I.e. the topics that we'll cover. Do I have any tests this week? Or what experiment am I doing? So you can refer to the student academic calendar ataupun takwim in the GC. Okay, I've uploaded that under materials. Okay, so you have to be alert lah what you will have that week. Okay, alright, so you can be on track. Alright, now how am I being evaluated? So evaluated, penilaian. Okay, nanti macam mana awak nak dapat A dalam chemistry ni? Okay, so your 100%, okay, it will come from exam, which carries 40%, and then you have continuous assessment atau PB, pentaksiran berterusan. That will be 60%. Okay, so for exam 40%, you will have UPS that will carry 20%, and then PSPM, your finals, 40%. So as of now, we know that our PSPM will be online, but we do not know how the questions will be yet. Okay, I will update that when I have the information. Okay, your UPS is actually ujian penilaian summative. So maksudnya dia akan campur. Summative. Okay. You have UPS 1, 2, 3. You have 3 tests. Okay. So it will be carried out on week 8, 12 and 15 respectively. Topics 1 and 2 for UPS 1, topics 3 and 4 for UPS 2, topics 5 and 6 for UPS 3. Okay. So basically, markah untuk UPS 1, let's say 20. Okay, kalau dapat full mark 20/20, 20/20, 20/20. Okay, if you get all full marks for UPS 1, 2 and 3, then you will get 20% here. Okay, the average mark. Alright. Okay, your continuous assessment, your PB, okay, will consist of your assignment atau task. Okay, this is individual. Alright. So this will carry 15%. This will be on chapter 3. Chapter 3 is periodic table. Okay. Then you will have manipulative skills, that is 10%, and lab report 15%. Where do these come from? These will be your lab tests. Okay. If you look at your takwim, you will see that you will have lab tests. Okay. Lab test tu nanti awak ada manipulative skill 10% dengan tulis full lab report 15%. So is it important for you to learn how to write your lab report during the practical session? Okay. It is important, okay? So you know how to write a proper lab report for your lab test nanti. Okay. Alright. Okay, I think that is briefly about the intro. Now I will show you the files that I uploaded. So this is your academic calendar. You can find on GC. I put it up. Okay, so here you can see that for week 1, from 26 to 30 July, okay, supposedly we study 1.1A, but I had conference, so I will carry that on to week 2, okay. And then for week 2, which is this week, we will cover these subtopics, okay, for lecture and tutorial. And then for experiment 1, you will do experiment 1. Okay. So this experiment 1 will be via video demonstration. So nanti saya bagi link lah dekat awak. Okay. Nanti awak tengok and then I will give you further instructions lah. Okay. I will guide you. Okay. And so on. Okay. Week 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So if you look here. Okay, you have UPS 1 on week 8. Okay, so ingatlah UPS 1 awak chapter berapa awak kena cover, kena study tu. Okay, so the questions will be based on chapter 1 and 2 1 and 2 I think. Okay, alright, so and then on week 9 you will have lab test. Okay, kenapa lab test ni ada 2? Yang ni nanti saya akan update awak lah macam mana. Okay, I think dia akan bahagikan to 2 groups supaya settle semua orang. Alright, so that is lab test. And then on week 10 you also have to complete your assignment. So your assignment usually will be the duration for you to complete your assignment will be for a month, I think. Okay, apa-apa saya akan bagi tahulah information terkini. Okay, and then you have your mid-sem break. Okay, and then we continue to week 11. Alright, so and then you at week 13 you will have experiment via simulator. Apa-apa nanti saya update. Okay, and on week 15, okay, you will have this experiment at home experiment. Okay, experiment 5, chemical equilibrium. So yang ni nanti saya akan bagi tahulah bila nak dekat nanti macam mana how it will be. Okay, and then you will have revision week from 4 to 8 December, okay, or study week. And then from 9 to 16 December, you will have your matriculation program semester exam, which is PSPM, Periksaan Semester Program Matrikulasi. Alright? So these are subject to change, maksudnya dia boleh berubah lah. Okay? Okay. So that is your takwim. Okay? And then we will look here. Here we have your manual amali. This is your lab manual. Ni yang saya cakap cover merah tu. So kalau yang video demonstration ke apa, okay, you can read through all of this. Okay, read through everything. So ini kalau ada buku dia nanti sampai sem 2 nanti awak boleh sign lah, tapi you have to baca. Okay. Okay, so on page 12, okay, we have the post-lab session ni. This is the post-lab session yang saya cakap we will discuss our lab report. Okay, discuss how to write it and tengok apa yang kita discuss ni. Okay, you will do your objective, theory, procedure, results, discussion, conclusion. Okay, alright, so you can read through this lab report. Okay, bila sampai masa. So this week we will do experiment 1. So you can read this page, okay? Experiment 1, determination of the formula unit of a compound. Alright? So baca and then answer your pre-lab manuals. So kalau ada exercise macam ni, awak kena jawab juga. Right? And then you will watch the video and write your lab report lah. Okay? Alright, so this is the lab manual yang warna merah. Okay, so when we do experiment 5 and 6, tak silap saya, you will refer to this lab manual. Okay, this home-based experiments guide. So dalam this file, it is actually for all 3 subject science, which is chemistry, physics and biology. So we will look at chemistry punya. So awak bacalah ni semua. Okay, so section 1 introduction, section 2, okay, this is chemistry experiment. Okay, so ini yang nanti awak kena refer kat sini lah bila lepas mid-sem break tu. We have this at home experiment. Okay, so bila sampai masa nanti saya akan update lah. Alright, this is just to let you know which stuff that you will be using. Also, I uploaded this, which is your pre-lab questions. So these pre-lab questions according to experiment. So this week experiment 1, maksudnya awak kena buatlah experiment 1. Okay, awak kena jawablah this pre-lab. Right? Okay, if you have any problems whatsoever, bagi tahu je saya. Okay, I know that it will not be easy. So I hope that we will all try our best. Okay, and jangan stress sangat. Just let me know if you have any problems. Okay, and please be honest with me. Alright, okay, that's all. Thank you. See you next week.